Here are 5 side hustles you can do at next to no skills, and the best part of it, it costs close to nothing to start these side hustles today. As being somebody that literally started my multi-million-dollar business from side hustles, I took my side hustles and turned it into my main hustle. Now, being a father of 2, I could not afford doing side hustles that didn't actually make money, the non-realistics. There's a surprising amount of money you can make with just a few hours a day. Now, I started selling pet bandanas. My mom had an embroidery machine. I was like, hey, let me do a little side hustle with this bandana while doing physical therapy, because physical therapy paid jack worth squat. Now, being the breadwinner of the family, I was pretty much broke, and so I need to find side money. And then I realized, surprisingly, how much money you can make from side hustles, people. And so I want to give you 5 realistic side hustles. I wanted to start a series of side hustles. There might be side hustles for embroidery, might be side hustles to under $100. Make sure to subscribe because I have more of these coming up, and I wanted to give you first 5 juicy ones that you can start today. First one, you can sell custom candles on Amazon Handmade. You just need your printer. If you got a printer, well, you're in luck. Now you can do a black and white printer or a color printer, doesn't matter. Why Amazon Handmade? Well, if you look at their top 100 products, you will see that candles are at the very top. Amazon Handmade is an untapped market right now. I know it's been out for a few years, but surprisingly, there's still not that many sellers on there. So if you go grab some candles, find a way to have unlimited resources of candles. You don't have to buy much, buy a few, go get some labels at your local Office Depot and start printing custom labels, and make a few, maybe even Photoshop it on there and start selling. These are nice to do. You come from work or your Rugrats are running around, you could just print out some labels, put some names on there, boom, shipped it out, you making money. Now, I recommend Amazon Handmade because I myself sell Amazon Handmade and I surprisingly got sales pretty darn quick. The second one is creating custom digital files. A lot of you guys sell digital products. Well, this is a very specific kind of digital products that will let you shimmy in right into the market and actually start to get sales. Does require a little bit of work, but nothing wrong with a little bit of digital grease. For example, custom digital maps. You can just go on Snazzy Maps and you make digital files like it all started here, or maps for engagement prints. People want to print their own canvases, but they don't know how to put together these files, and you can do that for them. Or digitizing pet photos for their prints. People do this all the time. They sell better than just any regular old digital file because that requires a little bit of work and people are lazy. If you're willing to roll up your sleeves just a little bit, you'd be surprised how much money you can make. I would recommend doing this on Etsy. I like Etsy. Etsy's good. Now, the third one, I mentioned this before, but people run away from this product like a plague. But with the AI tools that we have now available, it makes this product a lot more easier to do, which also means that it is unsaturated, so it's just ripe for the taking. I'm talking about sublimating custom photo prints on items. Just need to get a sublimation printer and then start sublimating them on like ornaments, office photos, and you name it. Just start sublimating people's photos. Like I said, it is ripe for the taking, so take advantage of this one. Now, the fourth one is really just switching the hands. You buy something on Amazon and you sell it on Etsy. And I'm talking about selling supplies. You can sell supplies, you can resell it. It doesn't have to be handmade if you're selling supplies. So you buy a bulk of beads or whatnot and you sell them on Etsy. Now, some of the top selling shops on Etsy are supply shops. Now, since Amazon has pretty good priority shipping, much faster than what you can do with Etsy, just make sure your processing time is the same as your shipping time from Amazon and just exchange the hands. Once you get cash flow going from Etsy, you pretty much are not putting your own money into this business, and it's a really nice, sweet little gig to start. Now, the last one, I recommended this one to my sister-in-law. She's a single mom of 2, and she's trying to find ways to make additional money because it is expensive to live if you're a single parent with 2 kids, especially if they're both under 4 years of age. And I recommended this product because I'm confident that this product will generate a good amount of money. And I'm talking about Bridesmaid's proposal gift boxes. All you have to do is go to your local Joann's, buy a $200 vinyl machine, and start personalizing these boxes and sell them on Etsy and Amazon Handmade. This product surprisingly does pretty darn good on both platforms. Literally, you just sell boxes that look good for people that are putting together bridesmaids gifts to ask their best friend to become their bridesmaids. This is a great little side hustle you can do. Now, during the Christmas time, I'm pretty sure you can get away with some gift boxes. That's going to be an important one. Now, I built my 7-figure business starting off with side hustles, and there's a step-by-step guide on how I do that. You can check the link in the description, so make sure to check it out, and I'll see you next time.